Hey guys, it's Neil, and today I'm going to show you the exact sales system I would use if I had to land a client in the next 14 days. And I'm breaking down every single step: how I scrape leads, how I validate emails, how I personalize outreach using AI, how I automate everything with Make, and how I send it all through instantly. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully automated outbound engine that works while you sleep and pulls meetings every single week. Let's dive in. Step 1, source leads. We're using Apify's Leads Finder Scraper, which essentially gives you Apollo leads at a fraction of the price, roughly $1.50 for 1,000 scraped leads. For the demo, I'll scrape 100 leads. But if you're watching this because you actually want a client, scrape 1,000 minimum. Here's why. If you get a 2% reply rate, that's 20 replies. Half of those will be positive, so 10 positive replies. Half of those book calls, so 5 meetings booked. Even a 20% close rate means 1 new client. Outbound is math, but only if you automate it properly. Inside the scraper, set titles: founder, co-founder, CEO. Location, United States. Email status, verified. Company size, 21 to 50 and 51 to 100. Industry, B2B. I'll pick staffing and recruiting as the example. These filters aren't random. These companies are small enough to move fast, big enough to afford you, and structured enough to reply to cold emails. Now start the scrape. You'll get the leads. Step 2, build the automation layer inside Make.com. Make.com is where everything connects. Every tool, every API, every AI module, all unified. Inside Make, create a new scenario and add the Apify module. Add your Apify API key, paste your dataset ID from storage. If everything is set correctly, Make will show all the raw scraped data: first names, last names, job titles, domains, emails, everything. This is where things start to get fun, because now we can automate the parts of outbound that destroy most people's deliverability. Step 3, validate every email before sending anything. This is one of the biggest beginner mistakes. They trust Apollo's verified status. Don't. Around 20 to 30% of verified emails still bounce, and nothing kills your domain faster. Inside Make, add an email list verify module. Paste your API key, map the email field, and add a filter that only lets leads through if the result is okay. This one step alone improves deliverability, reputation, and keeps your domain clean. This is how you avoid the "why am I hitting spam" problem before it even exists. Step 4, clean up company names using AI. Your scraped data will have legal endings: LLC, LTD, INC, random junk. So we clean it automatically. Add a ChatGPT module with this prompt. Normalize the company name by focusing on its most distinctive and memorable element, as it may be reflected in the company's domain and the person's bio. The goal is to identify the standout part of the name, typically the first noun, while discarding generic terms. Output a concise, casual abbreviation employees might use, respecting original capitalization and spacing. Provide only the final normalized result. Output result in correct JSON format. When you run this, you get ready group to ready. Clean, human, natural. Instantly, your personalization looks 10 times better. Step 5. Scrape the company website using Exa.ai. This is where you separate yourself from the thousands of people sending AI-generated garbage. We're going deeper. Exa.ai lets you scrape a company's entire website. Add the Exa search module. In search query, add the company domain. Set the number of results to 1. You'll get full website data you need to write personalization. And the best part? It runs automatically for every lead. Step 6, generate hyper-personalized icebreakers with AI. Now take the website data and generate a one-line opener that feels real. Add another ChatGPT module. Use this prompt. Follow these rules exactly. Format. Congrats on achievement with a non-surface level observation. Main message must be a one-line maximum. Congrats must be lowercase every single time. Numbers should be simplified, e.g., $10 million. Example of perfect output. Congrats on the recent growth. Scaling outbound, maintaining quality is something most can't do. This produces lines like, congrats on building a single brand that can hold multiple specialties without diluting its core standards. It's rare to see diversification used as a way to deepen quality and employee ownership rather than chase quick scale. These openers get replies not because they're clever, but because they feel earned. Step 7, build the final email template. We combine first name, clean company name, icebreaker, offer. Here's a high reply template. Hey, first name, then icebreaker. Reason I'm reaching out is because I built a sales system that can put your strongest candidates in front of companies actively hiring, purely performance-based. Is this aligned with what you're focused on right now? Thanks for the time. Neil, short, clear, low friction, easy to reply. AI already handled the personalization. Now we focus on clarity. Step 8, send everything automatically to Instantly. Add the Instantly module, add, lead to campaign, map email, first name, last name, clean company name, icebreaker. Inside Instantly, use subject lines like first name, better placements. Add personalization, add 2 to 3 follow-ups, spaced 48 to 72 hours apart. Your outbound engine is now fully refreshed, validated, personalized, and 10 times stronger than anything mass blasted. If I had to land a client in the next 14 days, this is exactly the system I'd use. It's simple, predictable, scalable, and it works every single day. If you want us to build the entire system for you, your infrastructure, your offers, your scripts, your testing plan, the link is below. Otherwise, use the system I just showed you. And I'll see you in the next one.